Hello, today you will learn about.
Hello dear students, this is Claire, your online French teacher. I hope you are all well. For 2 episodes we have been studying how to tell the time in French. Today in this episode, we will continue on the same subject by studying how to tell the exact time in French, and do more in-depth review of everything we have studied through exercises, and we will learn with a little vocabularies related to time which will allow you to enrich your vocabulary in French. So if you are ready, let's jump in. If you need to catch a train or schedule an important appointment, you'll want to know the exact minutes as well as the hour. To ask for the exact time, you would simply add
Exactement.
at the end of how we normally ask for the time.
Quelle heure est-il? Exactement.
To tell the time with the corresponding minutes, all you have to do is plug in the hour before
Heure.
and the minutes immediately after. Example.
Il est 5h20.
It's a little different from how we say the time in English, but the only thing you need to be careful of is to not forget.
Heure.
In English, we sometimes leave out a clock and say things like it's 10. In French, you cannot leave out
Heure.
Papa, à quelle heure précisément vas-tu prendre ton repas?
Dad, what time exactly are you going to have your meal?
Je mangerai à 14h45.
I'll eat at 2:45 p.m.
Je serai au travail exactement à 8h35.
I will be at work at exactly 8:35.
Il est 19h30 à Paris.
It's 7:30 p.m. in Paris. In the previous videos we learned the different steps to be able to tell the time in French. For that you must first know the numbers in French, especially 1 to 59 for minutes and 1 to 24 for hours. To tell the hour in French, you use the format
Il est.
plus, hour, plus.
Heure.
Let's take a look at these examples.
Il est 1h.
It is 1 o'clock.
Il est 4h30.
It's 4:30. Usually, we don't need to be too precise when telling the time. For 15, 30, and 45 minutes you can use.
Écart.
For 15 minutes, it corresponds to quarter past in English.
Et demi.
For 30 minutes, it corresponds to half past in English.
Moins le quart.
For 45 minutes, it corresponds to quarter to in English. Examples.
Il est 3h15.
It is 3:15.
Il est 4h30.
It is 4:30.
Il est 5h moins le quart.
It is 4:45. We learnt that in French, especially in formal contexts like schedules, the 24-hour clock is often used. Example.
Héloïse, est-il 13h?
Eloise, is it 1 p.m.?
Non, papa, il est 15 heures.
No, Dad, it's 3 p.m. Learning how to interpret the 24-hour clock when telling time in French is absolutely essential to your overall French language progress. However, if you don't want to use it yourself, you don't technically have to. You can simply use
Du matin.
in the morning to say AM and both.
De l'après-midi.
In the afternoon.
And du soir.
In the evening to say PM.
De l'après-midi.
Is used from 12 p.m. up until about 5 or 6.
And du soir.
Can be used for the remainder of the day up until midnight. Examples.
Il est 8 heures du matin.
It is 8 a.m.
Il est 2 heures de l'après-midi.
It is 2 p.m.
Il est 6 heures du soir.
It is 6 p.m. Note that, although the word
Nuit.
means night in French, there is no equivalent to at night when telling time. This means that even if it's 11 p.m. you would say
11 heures du soir.
Beyond just being able to tell the time, you'll definitely want to expand your French vocabulary with other time-related words and phrases. Here are some of the most useful time-related vocabularies in French.
Une seconde.
It means a second.
Une minute.
It means a minute.
Tout de suite.
It means right away.
Actuellement.
It means now.
Après.
It means after.
Tout à coup.
It means suddenly. I hope that the lesson has allowed you to understand a lot more about how to tell the time in French and that you are now able to tell the time in French, so see you soon for a new episode. Take care of yourself.
Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe to our channel for next video.